Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and you keep getting this error, fatal D3D error with the error code saying out of memory, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Resident Evil 9 easily. So this error has nothing to do with your graphics card being out of memory. This error is entirely because the game has problems. So the way you can fix it is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Visual C++ on here, and then you're going to click onto this link from microsoft.com. You're going to scroll down on here and you're going to download both x86 and then x64 versions and then install both of them on your computer. And once you're done with installing both of these softwares on your computer, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam for me, and you're going to right click on Resident Evil 9. I'm going to use another game as an example. And then you're going to go into launch options and you're going to write here into the launch options of Resident Evil 9 -dx11. So just write this command on launch options, and after that run your game. And once you're in your game, make sure to turn your texture quality and most of the settings to medium or low if you can, and also turn off frame generation and turn on upscaling if you can. And that way you should be able to play your game and you will not get that out of memory error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.